Today at Elwood Farm Machinery with a McCormick cx105 extra shift 4-wheel drive tractor fitted with a beautiful loader, Euro 8 headstock, good tyres all the way around, fully glazed cab. It has got aircon as well, which you'll need this time of year obviously. 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, 1540 PTO, many spools, trailer brakes, road registered for going to the shops also. More good tyres, many a good tyre, more loader, beautiful. It's a very tidy tractor. In the cab, seat for sitting on, and a friend. Fetch your friend to work day. Look, he can sit here. Look, he just pops. It's where your friend can sit. I haven't got any friends, so I don't need that seat. Sit here. Lovely. Heating. Radio for a company. Runs like a sewing machine. Radio for me. Very light steering, as you can see. Very light. On the rear, 3-point linkage up, down, PTO doing a little dance for you, joystick control, self-leveling motor also. Magical. Shuttle, high, low, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, low, forward, go. First, second, third, fourth, going along well. Vanity mirror. I'll just adjust the air seat. Lovely. Very comfy place to sit. Very light steering. Handy with the shuttle. And then you simply beautiful. Charge about, no problems. Good brakes, will stop you dead. Put it to high first, and we're going. Second, third, and fourth. Beautiful. Won't go too fast. Breaking the speed laws. Lovely. And last but not least, reverse. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. There she's ready for you. McCormick cx105. More information available at elwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page Elwood Farm Machinery. Thank you very much for your time.